Welcome to my channel M2K Tutorials. This is the sixth part of JavaScript basic series and second part of operator topic. In previous video we have discussed arithmetic operators and assignment operator. So if you haven't watched previous videos, please click on I icon in right side and watch those as well. In this part we are going to learn about comparison operator and logical operators. So you will learn what are comparison operators and how to use, what is difference between double equal to and triple equal to operators, what is logical operators and how to use those as well. So let's start. So let's start with comparison operators. So comparison operator used to compare its operands and return true or false. First operator in this is double equal operator or equality operator. This operator check whether two operands are equal or not. So if I write where a equal to 10 and write where b equal to 10 and print a equal to b, it will return true as both are equal, and will return false if both values are not same. This operator try to convert operands in same type. Let me give you one example what I am trying to convey. So in our previous example, let's convert value of b from number to string. So b equal to single quote 10, and again check if a double equal to b, and fair enough, it's still true. So what happened here? Even b is a string, equality operator converted it to number and given result as true. Please keep in mind this can lead to some unwanted or unexpected result, as I am going to show you here. So let's say I am checking whether 0 double equal to false. If you see this, it don't look like that it will be same, but if I show you result, it will give me true, as false was boolean but changed to number while comparison, and that is means 0. Likewise 1 double equal to true also return true. Okay, now second comparison operator, which is triple equal to or strict equality operator. So this one also used to check operands equality, but unlike double equal to, it does not change type of operand. So result for same type are the same as double equal to, but for different type of operand it will return false. So in this example, let's change double equal to triple equal to and see the result. It is giving false, as now 1 and true is of different type and they are not same for triple equal to. Likewise in our example, if again check a triple equal to b, it will return false, as a is number and b is a string. But if we change b into number, it will return true. I hope you guys got this difference. From best practice, I will suggest to use triple equal to, as it is efficient than double equal to and also less prone to errors. Use double equal to if you have any special requirement and you know what are you doing, otherwise don't use it. Next is not equal to. and not double equal to. It's just reverse of double equal to and triple equal to. So if 5 double equal to 5 return true, then 5 not equal to 5 will return false. And type conversion happen obviously in not equal to, but not in not triple equal to. Okay. Next are less than and greater than operators. I hope you already guess what they do. So if I write 4 less than 5, it will return true, and 4 less greater than 5, it will return false, as 4 is smaller than 5. Pretty simple. Likewise, less than equal to and greater than equal to. So if left operand is smaller or equal than less than equal to, it will return true. Okay. Now let's move on to logical operator. Logical operator are used to connect two or more expression and return true or false. So these are three types of logical operators: and, or, and not. So first is AND operator. AND operator returns true if all operands or expression is true and false otherwise. So let me show you by example. So where a equal to 10, where b equal to 5, where c equal to a greater than b, AND operator b less than a. And let's document dot write a. Here you can see first expression, which is a greater than b, is true. Also second expression, which is b less than a, is also true. So and written as true. But if we change, let's say where c equal to a greater than b and b greater than a, then it will return false. So and operator have left associativity, and it will check first expression. In our example, it's a greater than b, so it will check second expression. In this particular example, it is false, so one expression is not true. That's why it's returning false. One important thing is here that AND operator return last expression value if previous all expressions are true. Let me show you what I mean. So in above example, where c equal to a greater than b and b less than a and b, as you can see in this statement, first two conditions are true and last expression is only a value. So in this case, and operator will return last expression value, which is b. So result will be 5. Okay. Now let's move on to OR operator. So OR operator returns true if any one of the expression is true. So if we see above example again, where c equal to a greater than b, then OR operator b greater than a. Here you can see second expression, which is b greater than a, is false, but still if we check c, it will have true as first expression is true. So unlike AND operator, OR operator return first value if all expression before that value is false or value itself is first expression. So let me show you by example. So if I write where c equal to A less than B or B. In this case, A less than B is false, so value of B will return, and if we see value of C, it will be 5. Now let's modify it to where C equal to A greater than B or B. In this case, as first expression is itself true, value of C will be true. Now, not operator is pretty straightforward. Whatever expression written, it reverses that. So not true will return false and not false will return true. So if I write where C equal to A greater than B, so as A greater than B will be true, right? So if I write where C equal to A greater than B, as A greater than B, so C will be true, right? Now I just put not operator before expression, so where C equal to not A greater than B, and now if we print the value of C, it will return false. So A greater than B returns true, then not operator reverted that and make it false. So this was pretty much it for logical operators. There are some other operators which we will use while coding in our upcoming chapters. Some operators like bitwise you rarely used, and I don't think we need to learn those at this level. I hope you guys enjoying this series. Please comment your thought and question in comment box below. I will try to reply as much as I can. Also, if you find this video informative, please like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel M2K Tutorial. Happy coding.